So this is my serverless web API, and this is the CloudFormation console where I have deployed two stacks, one which handles the authentication, the other is for the application API. So this is my DynamoDB table, and it has a partition key of movie ID and sort key of review date. It has two indexes, one GSI and one LSI. And this is my API gateway. First, we'll look at all the get endpoints. The first one is get all the reviews for the specified movie. So we'll check for movie ID 1, and we have two reviews. And the second review is this. The second get endpoint is get the reviews for the specified movie with the rating greater than the minimum rating. So here we have two reviews for movie ID 1, and one has rating 3 and the other one has rating of 5. So we'll set the minimum rating of 4, so only the rating of 5 is returned. So third get endpoint is get the review returned by the named review for a specified movie, and this is the endpoint. And the movie ID of 1 has two reviews, where first review was written by the user 3 and the second review was returned by user 1. So if we get this endpoint and give user 3 and movie ID as 1, only the user 3 review is returned. The fourth get endpoint is get the reviews written in a specific year for a specified movie. So for movie ID 1, we have two reviews. One has review date as 2021 and the second one has 2023. So we'll copy this endpoint and set the year as 2021. Only the 2021 review is returned. And the next endpoint is get all the reviews written by a specific reviewer, and this is the endpoint. So if we explore the table, user 3 has written two reviews, and one of the review contains a movie ID as 3 and the other movie ID is 1. So if you give user 3 as the reviewer name, it should return two items. And it returns the two reviews written by user 3. And the last get endpoint is get a translated version of a movie review using the movie ID and the reviewer name as the identifier. So this is the endpoint for that. And if I give movie ID as 1 and reviewer name as user 3 and give the translation language as Tamil. The review is translated to Tamil. So now we look at the post endpoint where we can add a movie review. So this is the URL, and if you check the table, there is not a movie ID with 6. So we'll try to add a movie review with movie ID as 6. If I go into Postman and hit send, the movie is added. And if I refresh the table, the movie ID of 6 is added over here. This is the authentication API. And if I check the Cognito, there's a user already confirmed. If I check the sign in endpoint, the authentication is successful. And lastly, if you look at the put endpoint where we can update the text of a review, I copy the endpoint, user 1, and movie ID as 1. If I send with the body as the content high, it returns this validation exception with the key element not matching the schema. But if you check the CloudWatch under log groups, under update movie reviews endpoint, we have the latest one. And if you look at the parameters which is being passed to the update command, this has the correct update expression and the update and the attribute values, but still the key element does not match the schema. I'm not sure if this is about the um, key or with the body. I'm not sure. And this put option is not working as of now. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.